This portfolio answers client questions before I ever get in a call. What you are seeing here is my live portfolio site, but behind this site is a system, Notion acting as a CMS and an AI assistant in anything that answers questions using the same data. In this video, I'm going to teach you not how to build this. I'm going to show it what it does, how clients experience is, why I built it this way, what are the different parts of it. If you're a freelancer, consultant, or a builder who is tired of explaining your work again and again, this will make sense. Very good. Hey everyone, this is Anup from Bayesian Labs. In this video, I'm going to show what this portfolio system does, how clients experience it, why I built it this way. You still with me? Okay, let me start off with the portfolio site, what all it contains, the experience. So this is my site, anupkarnik.net. So it tells me about me, my journey, what I'm working on, the other things I'm working on, my contact details, social profiles in about section. There is an education section where it tells me education, what subjects and all those kind of things. There is an experience section which tells all the full-time things I've done, all the internships I've done, part-time I've done, each of the things, what projects I have done in each. So there's to go details about those, even for each one. If a description is higher, it's just like this. I will convert it into a more MD2 one. Currently, it's and all the projects can see all projects I have done as a part of like founder innovation lab, software engineering. All those things are there. It's internships, they're part-time. Apart from that, these are the skills, language-wise, cloud, DevOps, all those all these skills are visible. Yeah, and how many projects I have done. Yeah, you can suggest me how I can improve the look. I'll make an iterations of not a single portfolio website, but around 5 to 10, whatever I like, because the CMS is gonna change the same. I can just use Lovable, create multiple versions of it and all those kind of things. So here I have all the projects I've done. Around 60 thing. Yeah, all the projects I have, around 192 projects. Which projects you can see where GitHub, where it's in GitHub, is there a website link, if it's a Notion template content, all those kind of things are there. Part of it I can, if I just want any AI. So projects which contains AI, projects which contains what skills it contains, what type it is, all those things I can mention here. And based on it, I'll only go those. Apart from that, so this was the main portfolio site experience. Let me just now show you what my portfolio is. There is a join my newsletter, where you can join my newsletter to send me a message regarding that. You can book a meeting with me, 15 minutes in discovery call or something like that, whenever free times are available in there. Apart from that, this is a portfolio system where you can ask questions, give 3 big AI project which Adu has. So this kind of looks into that and finds 3 projects. While this is going on, I will show you the Notion SMS, Notion CMS, which is here. So this is the profile info you need to. So these are the quick actions. You first edit here to say add a new experience, types of services, products you're building. These are the databases used. So this is my journey, which is visible in there. My site, multi-agent reinforcement learning. I think is all these things these are the top 3 AI projects, AI data mine, which I have done. And it's true for these. I even have a paper for these 2. There is an E-level paper for, I have this, and for this, I have a level paper. For this is one of the ones I made for this had a lot of, but codex came in and this went away. Yeah. So this was my chatbot demo. Let me proceed. So now I'm going to show Notion as CMS. So these are all the social links, all those kind of, these are the databases used. Types of products, building, education, projects, skill trees, queue. This is the template which is shared where you can edit all the signal, all the things here. My journey, about me, that's the CMS. You can use Lovable to change how the website looks, but if you have this as a base, whatever you change here would be available in 5 minutes, would be replicated in 5 minutes. There is a Redis, because there is a Notion limits, API limits to it. There is a Redis connection to its upstairs Redis connections to it, which acts as a cache. Or so every 10 minutes it gets new data from here. Till that it's stored so that this is faster, right? This is faster, visible, available in all. So you have what services, description of the services, this image, educations, this, if you can modify or delete or add new from here, add new project, education or something like that. Even delete whatever you want, go to the database, delete all and start again. These are the projects connected to each of the. So this is a skill tree, software skill tree I have built. Yeah. So for each, for each of the projects I have written, I can add any leaf or whatever parent node I want to add to that project. It's my wish. These are the projects and all that. Yeah. So if I add a new project, all these things I would need to demo images, description. Some are required, some are not. Factories of work, and afterwards, yeah. And when for a new experience, you can, yeah, on that new project, you can relate to that experience and all that. This is my Notion as CMS. So what it does is AI reads from all these databases. There is an N8N workflow which goes around. There is an N8N workflow which what there is an N8N workflow which goes around, what is it, which takes it from here, and then AI assistant answers questions based on what currently it's taking almost all the data, all the best results and all the features, projects and all those kind of things. I'm trying to modify it, adding a rack to it and all those rack for it to work better. Yeah. Next. And I wanted to share the motivation of why I built this, I just I started a product-based Patient Labs as a product-based company, but for the revenue kind of thing, needed clients. Everyone needs clients to proceed, to improve their skills, do what the market wants, and get revenue. While your product, you are still building your product and all that as a solopreneur, as a bootstrapped one, I needed that. But problem was every application in maybe Upwork, LinkedIn, a project I see in school or anywhere, I have to again keep on making my projects, showing what projects to show, showing what all things need to do. With this, I can just use my AI assistant. There is another mode where I'll just get that application, what email to send and all those kind of things from these databases. And I can, lot of people have portfolios, right? But problem is, a lot of people have those portfolios, but they make it, but changing them again and again, pushing them to GitHub, they're pushing them out there, or having a CMS which you never use. Notion is something which I use in daily life. A lot of people use templates in Notion. So here it's very easy for me to change whenever I want, whenever I create a new project, whenever I add to a new project, changing the description and all those kinds of things are natural for me because I use Notion as my projects for my work, for putting tasks and all those kind of things too. So adding to a portfolio becomes a normal thing. It's not something I need to constantly do every week or go to a separate CMS like Strappy or whatever it is and change it there or post this or something like that. Okay. Apart from that, and now whatever questions they can ask from the chat, clients can ask what they want from me. can I do it or not? What's the timeline? What's the normal price cost which I will take for this portfolio and all those kind of things, which was not, which is a huge thing for me. I have a one-page PDF client-facing portfolio which they can download, but apart from that, this would help a lot, right? And this would automate a lot of my work. Clients can directly ask the portfolio assistant whatever they don't understand. They can send a message here or directly mail me, but they can just directly ask few of the questions and get immediate replies instead of waiting on the emails. Yeah, it reduces friction, giving me out. That's it. So apart from that, see, I'm not showing the N18 workflow. I'm not showing a lot of those, how I implemented this. There are 3 different parts to it. First, you duplicating that template in Notion. So that one can be done. Link is in the description. Apart from that, what I'm not showing here, and this boilerplate code, the link is there, but how to download, how to add those Notion database where environmental variables so that this is connected to your Notion template which you have duplicated. And apart from that, how to download those N18 workflows which are also available as template from N18 marketplace. This one is available in Notion. Download them and change environmental variables in this boilerplate code and then deploy to version. So it works. Anybody who is trying to implement it should take not more than 15 minutes. If you have an N18 setup already and Notion, you are slightly familiar with Notion and slightly familiar with code, it should be in 15 minutes you will have this ready. If you use Lovable, you can change the front end part of it again and again. Then it's in Turbo Repo Next.js code. You can keep trying to change the front end, any of the component part of it. The next one will have those. From here itself, you'll be able to change using your own AI thing. Yeah, this video was about what the free product does, with links on how to download all in the description below. In the next video, I shall break down how to download the Notion template for this system, how to download the N18 automations for this system, how to download the portfolio website, how to integrate all 3 of them and deploy the site in version. It's a 15 minutes procedure and you'll have a live website where clients can talk to your portfolio whenever they want. If this kind of automations and products interest you, subscribe to Behavioral Labs, and I build productized systems so my work speaks when my work speaks even when I'm offline. Thank you.